Vieton Multi Stick Balm, a concentrated treatment and touch-up balm packed with botanical oil and vitamin tree water to nourish your skin on the go. Vieton Multi Stick Balm, a luminous lifting multi-stick balm that creates firmer skin. Key ingredients: Byungpool, Centella asiatica. Oil, highly effective in soothing and providing moisture to dry skin. Camellia seed oil, delivers intense moisture and nutrients to maintain smooth, glowy skin. Seaberry, Hippophae rhamnoids. Water, containing high level of vitamin C and E, which aids in skin vitality. Key benefits: creates radiant skin, provides deep moisturization with a glowing finish, light texture, yet excellent moisture retention. As the balm melts into the skin, it infuses the skin with moisture and vitamins. Completed a 25 human subject test criteria, proving the balm provided immediate skin wrinkle improvement, deep skin elasticity improvement, and brightens the skin. How to use: glide onto areas where there are noticeable dryness. Reapply whenever, wherever throughout the day to add moisture and a healthy glow to the skin. Follow up with the Vieton Oil Mist, which provides additional skin radiance compared to using the balm alone.